Good morning, everyone. Again, we are here to discuss the new chapter work and energy. We have already discussed about the work, its definition, and types of the work. So, I am repeating again here about the work. Work is defined as a force acting upon an object to cause a displacement. That means the work, it is the product of force and displacement in the direction of force, and the formula for it is W equals to F into S. It is a scalar quantity. Now its units we have discussed already. The SI unit of work, it is joule, and the CGS unit is erg, and the relation between them, it is 1 joule equals to 10 power 7 erg. And now about the sign convention for work done, it means the types of the work done. First, when both the force and the displacement are in the same direction, then the work is called the positive work, and the formula for it is W equals to plus F into S. And when force acts in a direction opposite to the direction of displacement, then the work done is negative, and it is denoted by W equals to minus F into S. And the zero work is also there. There are two cases. When the displacement is 0, then the work done is 0, and when the force and displacement act at an angle of 90 degree, that means both are perpendicular, then again work done is 0. Now the about the energy, the next topic, it is the energy. So we know that the capacity of a body to do work is called the energy of the body. It's clear? The capacity of doing work, you can say the capacity of doing work, it is energy, and it has the SI unit is also joule, and the different forms of energies are there. So we will discuss here about the potential energy, kinetic energy, heat energy, chemical energy, liquid energy, light energy. So many energies are there, but we will discuss here. First, it is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. That is called the kinetic energy. It is the energy possessed by a body due to its motion. And the kinetic energy of an object increases with its speed. It's clear? And for the formula derivation of the kinetic energy, we know that the kinetic energy is denoted by Ek. So it is equals to 1 upon 2 mv square. So there is a derivation. So first, you suppose here the object of mass m starts from rest and attains a uniform velocity v. After a force F is applied on it, it covers a distance or displacement, you can say it is S. Then we know that according to the definition of the work done, so work W equals to F into S. Now it is the first equation, W equals to F into S. Now we will take here the third equation of motion, it is V square equals to U square plus 2 AS. From here we will calculate here the value of S. So we get S equals to V square minus U square upon 2A. Suppose it is the second equation. Now put the value of S in equation number 1, that is the formula for the work done, W equals to F into S. So now when you put the value, we will get here W equals to F into V square minus U square upon 2A. But we know that the force F, it is equals to ma by the second law of motion. So again we will put here the value of F. So, F is ma. So, here in the equation number 1 we have W equals to ma into V square minus U square upon 2a. A and A both are cancelled, and now we get here 1 upon 2 m in bracket V square minus U square. But we know that the body or object start from rest. So, U is equals to 0, that is why